Hello and welcome back to Seth and Shelley's DIY. Today I'm going to show you a bit of Christmas in the box. If I open my box, here it is. Joseph, Maria and baby Jesus. Here's my rod. I'm going to make the Joseph and Maria out of it. Joseph is 6 centimetres long, Maria 4 centimetres, so I've got to mark the wood. I'm going to clamp it into position then, and then I'm going to use my Japanese saw and just saw off. I'm going to paint the two heads. They're going to be as heads on top of here like that. I'm going to paint them to pink, well, skin colour. Then I'm going to paint Maria a light blue and Joseph a dark blue. In the back of the boat, some music notes have got to be glued in. Here's some sheet music. I've got "We Wish You a Merry Christmas." First of all, I've got to measure the inside. I can do this on the back, it's easier. The inside, I'm going to measure. I'm going to cut a template out, try the template in there first. If the template fits, then I'm going to use this template and cut out on my sheet music. My paper fits exactly, my sheet of music, and now I can glue it into place. I've cut two circles out of a piece of paper as my templates, the one with 2.5 centimetre diameter, the other one with a 1.5 centimetre diameter, and I'm just going to use a little bit rest of felt that I've got, brown felt, and I'm just going to place on top of here and just cut round them. I've now got half a wooden ball and some felt, and I'm going to cut out here the Jesus, his cloth that is laid on. I'm going to build the Maria and Joseph together. I'm going to use wood lime on the heads, and then I'm going to use just an ordinary glue to glue on the baby Jesus and the Joseph's hat. Here's Maria, and what she needs a scarf on her head. I've got a piece of old sack material which I've just cut a small triangle out, which then I can just place on top of her head, pull down and glue into position. So on this side of the box we've got to have this star hanging. I'm going to draw a very small hole through the star, then I'm going to tie it to the string, and then using a drawing pin I'm just going to pop it inside the box. And to finish off, I place Joseph and Maria inside the box and glue them with wood lime into position. And here's my finished box, all ready and done, and here is the little bit of Christmas.